Good morning. We are going on a wine tour today. We set an alarm pretty early and then ended up sleeping through till like 9:30. I still feel really tired. I feel like I need a really long sleep. It's actually really cold here. I haven't even looked at the temperature. But yeah, it's cold, so I feel like it's gonna be a jeans or leggings and jumper and coat bring with me kind of day. It's not why I came to South America. I want the sun. But we're just getting our stuff together ready. We might have showers and all that jazz, so I'll check back with you once we're on the bus or figuring out how we're gonna get there. So we found breakfast. It's not the best one we've had so far, and it's absolutely chucking it down.
Chucking it down? Do you reckon that's the right term?
It's not really chucking it down, is
Well,
it?
it's more like, you know, drizzle, like heavy drizzle, which is the rain that gets you really wet. I mean, it's not big raindrops, but there's a lot of rain. You want to go out and see if it's chucking it down? Go
No.
test it.
No, but it's not called chucking it down. It's not spewing its guts up.
Okay, we're going into rain terminology now, so get ready for a lesson in rain by hannahaliceee.
Welcome. And congratulations. You are about to embark on an adventure. That for the faint-hearted. Maybe squeezy. Chicken later.
So we're considering whether to do a bike tour or get on one of those hop on, hop off vineyard tours. We'll see. We've just booked our flights, we're just chilling, we're going on this wine tour, we're doing like a bus one now. We're getting on at 1, it's 11:30, so we've still got a bit of time. I'm freezing, it's like 13 degrees. How you feeling?
Fabulous.
We've sorted out money now. We've just got tally charts of how much everyone owes me. But yeah, we're all good, so. So we've just gone and got snacks ready for the wine, because the last time I did a wine tour I ate like a banana all day and it was the worst decision ever. Got another chocky milk.
Actually, last time you did a wine tour, you broke your toenail.
Oh yes, not in South Africa. In New Zealand I did a wine tour and had a banana the whole day, and it got to like 3 o'clock and I didn't even I was pretty drunk, but it was more the fact that I just felt really sick because there was nothing inside of me. But yeah, so we're just going back to the hostel now. We're meeting some girls, Laura and Chloe and a couple of other girls that we met in Buenos, and then we decided to do a bus tour. So we're doing 3 wineries.
Even though it's now stopped raining.
Yeah, it's not raining anymore, but it's still cold. It's like 13 degrees. 3 wineries, they're all included. The taste is included, the transport. It was like 560 peso, so it wasn't too bad. Well, we're in a random guy's car on our way to the wine tour. Meant to be in a van, but we're literally in a car. Dude's got no petrol, he's just left us to go, I don't know, go get some other people, even though the car's full. The handbrake isn't on, so we're having a great time. Yeah, and it stinks of damp in here, so I'm still excited for the wine though. Just give me the wine. Hola.
There's wine I'm trying to get into.
Skin, seeds, and hooves. All of that, we check it, and we keep on this tank for 25 days with the temperature more or less 22, 23, 24, no more 25.
Hannah's like frothing.
And just working with the pumps like this is my job, it's fucking shit, but it's good.
But we need another process where we lose your prototype. So it's like concrete pool, I guess. We use it for keep the wine after fermentation between 6 or 10 months inside the wine. Yes.
Ah, no barrel.
No. This process is before.
Ah, okay.
Because all wine needs this process called estacionamiento.
Yeah.
We found the tasting room. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This place is beautiful. What have you lost?
I dropped my chewing gum. Gross. I need a pen.
We have white, and we have rosé, brilliant color, transparent color, and we can see for any place. Yes? Before drink, smell it. Close your glass. You can feel red fruit, flower, and you can feel sweet flavor.
Fancy.
You can feel it. Sweet. Yeah. Right now, this part. Cheers.
Cheers. It's not strong. It doesn't feel strong at all.
No, that's really nice.
Ask one thing. Do you feel sweet or dry? Dry. You can feel the difference between your flavor and your aromas. And right now, smell it again. Right now, it's supposed to feel your sweet.
Sorry.
We feel just right. The reason for drink is really important for us to smell.
Well, now we're at an olive oil factory plantation thing.
Plantation.
I don't know what it is called. But I'm quite interested. Someone's told me it's really nice. I'm just really hoping they've got like heaps of sourdough with like a bowl of olive oil and salt. That's literally what I want right now, but I highly doubt it. It's probably just loads of random olive oil. But it looks quite busy, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. Very pretty where we are.
Alright, so we are in the season of the olives. The season is between May and July, but we're gonna start with the process tomorrow.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
We already have the olives there. But stones. This is a very traditional method. We put the olives here and we crush the olives with the seed and everything.
Cool. Yeah, so we're about to try all the olive oils.
We need to
Oh my
follow
God.
special order.
Okay.
Are they
We're gonna
chocolate
start
raisins?
from milder flavors to
I'm so excited.
okay?
Or garlic.
We're gonna try garlic.
Yes. See what we're.
I'll be right back.
It's olive oil.
Strap olive oil.
Side flavour one side.
The lemon one.
Extra virgin olive oil because it has 0.3% of free.
It's going to be less than
fat.
0.8.
Free fatty acids. It's got more fatty acids than free.
Lemon.
Lemon?
No.
Is the lemon
Oh my
good?
It tastes
God.
like a cake.
Oh my god, it just tastes like a cake. Oily. That's so weird. Nice.
That was more lemon than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, same. I thought it was going to be like really soft.
That lemon one's
Have you
great.
tried the lemon one?
The lemon one's like a lemon cake.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah.
Oh my god, it tastes like lemon drizzle cake.
Straight away, yeah.
But like it's not even sweet, it's just savoury, so it's weird.
Okay. So now I'm
one?
going for garlic.
Garlic? Oh, stop.
Oh, stop. The garlic one's nice.
Oh, I'm gonna buy. Oh, I can't carry it with me. What am I gonna do with olive oil? Just like drink it?
I haven't had chocolate raisins in so long. They're so good. Do you know what I want to buy? Chalky bloody raisins. However much they are, they're nice.
Chilies, they got dried chilies.
I never thought I'd be so excited over an olive oil factory.
Right, what are we missing?
Right, I'm gonna try an olive. Mum, be proud.
I'm not half.
You reckon you're just gonna put it all in?
Yeah. No? She doesn't need olives.
I eat this olives. I don't
What do you think?
Oh, I really liked the olive oil, to be fair. Would have liked to bring it with us, but you know.
Yeah, it was really, really nice olive oil. But off to another winery.
Corsa.
And we're at the second vineyard, or winery. Oop. These are massive. Just looking for wines. This is the one that I wanted. It's only 100 peso, which is like under £4. I literally could drink that stuff for juice. There's so much wine in here. They're on the half of Merlot because Hannah wants to try Merlot.
This is what we call marc. So basically they're probably still fermenting and they're currently pressing, so they're draining the juice from the skins, and this is basically what you're left with. I don't know what they do with it here, but usually you can use it and you can basically boil it and use it as fertilizer. So that's marc. But this is a new winery. It's called,
third one.
was it called Badron or something? Badron. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, we'll see how the wine tastes. Hopefully we drink a bit more.
Second wine, we are going to test. It's the same wine.
I sniffed that. It's too high that I sniffed it and I touched my nose.
Empanada, wine.